Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily hide comments on Instagram Live. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Instagram app. Then you can open up your profile, hit at that plus sign and select live. Now once you are ready, you can hit at that button to start your live, and after that, right here, you can easily find that comments tab. You can just tap right here, and now you can select turn off commenting. As you can see, I have just turned off comments for that specific live. Unfortunately, you can turn off comments just for your lives on Instagram. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.